Welcome back to the Next Chapter channel. Today we have an intriguing topic to discuss: the California Exodus. Over the past decade, a growing number of Californians have been packing their bags and seeing new horizons elsewhere. Join me as we explore the top 10 reasons why Californians are choosing to move out. Let's dive in. It's no secret that California boasts a high cost of living. The exorbitant housing prices, sky high taxes, and inflated everyday expenses have burdened many residents. Californians are increasingly finding it difficult to afford the basic necessities, pushing them to explore more affordable alternatives in other states. The housing crisis in California is another significant factor driving people away. The demand for housing far outweighs the supply, leading to skyrocketing rent and home prices. Many Californians, especially young professionals and families, are finding it increasingly challenging to secure affordable and suitable housing, prompting them to seek greener pastures elsewhere. Have you ever been stuck in one of those California's infamous traffic jams? Well, it's not a pleasant experience. The state's congested roadways and long commute times have become a daily frustration for many residents. The desire for a less stress-inducing commute is driving Californians to relocate to areas with way smoother traffic flow and more manageable distances between home and work. While California has been hailed as a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship, the business environment has become increasingly challenging. High taxes, stringent regulations, and a complex bureaucracy have made it difficult for small businesses to thrive. As a result, entrepreneurs and startups are seeking more business friendly states that offer lower taxes and a more supportive environment. While California undoubtedly has its charm, most residents feel that the overall quality of life has diminished in recent years. Issues such as overcrowding, rising crime rates in certain areas, and the increasing homeless population have left some Californians disillusioned. They're now seeking quieter and safer and more serene communities in other states. California's beautiful landscapes come with a price. The state is prone to natural disasters such as wildfires, earthquakes, and droughts. The escalating frequency and intensity of these events have made some residents question their long-term safety and security. Concerns about these natural disasters have prompted Californians to explore more stable regions with fewer environmental risks. California has traditionally been known for its excellent education system, but in recent years, budget cuts and overcrowding have impacted the quality of education. Many parents are worried about the future of their children's education and are opting to relocate to states with better funded schools and more accessible resources. California's political landscape leans heavily towards progressive policies, which may not align with the values and beliefs of all its residents. The state's political climate has become a point of contention for some, leading them to seek states with a more balanced political environment that aligns better with their personal ideologies. Retirement. The golden years of life. However, for many Californians, the high cost of aging and retirement has become a growing concern. As they approach their golden years, they find it increasingly challenging to afford healthcare, long-term care facilities, and other essential services. Seeking a more affordable retirement lifestyle, many Californians are opting to move to states with lower cost of living and better retirement benefits. Last but certainly not least, Californians are leaving the state in search of new opportunities and a fresh start, whether it's pursuing a different career path, exploring different culture, or simply seeking a change of scenery. Many residents feel that moving out of California provides them with a chance to reinvent themselves and embark on new adventures. And there you have it. the top reasons why Californians are choosing to move away. While California undeniably has its allure, the challenges it presents may lead many residents to seek alternatives elsewhere. From the high cost of living and the housing crisis to traffic congestion and political climate and more, Californians are searching for greener pastures that offer a better quality of life. If you're a Californian contemplating a move, carefully consider your own priorities and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, we will see you in the next one.